So, la, la, la. Okay. So we are on to it. Yeah, it's recording. So today we'll have a simple application, uh, a Django-based authentication application, I can say, uh, which has a simple components like login page, a registration page, and a profile page. And in the profile, user can also edit their profile, change the descriptions, change the profile pic, and we also had some authentication to it. As it says, it's authentication app. So authentications such as like signals, so not signals, I would say decorators. So suppose your profile has been logged in. Let's start and let's see how it goes. Let's start the project. So this is the basic structure. I'm not gonna. So basic bootstrap navigation. I haven't done anything else. Just some simple link requests. So if you go to the login page, so from login page will look something like this, and it will direct me to a different page. And if you go to the setup page, there's the registration page. This registration page will look something like this. Again, direct to a different URL. So let's log in first. So first, if you log in, so we get this kind of a dashboard. Again, the same navigation with a logo, and it says a message, a notification message coming from directly from the Django component, uh, a library called message. So you can design the way you want. So it says you can close the, and you get a something like this. This is the place, the profile. Again, it's a different URL. You can see it's a profile page where you can see the name, the title, the description, and an image. So you wanted to edit it, you can simply go and edit it. And I think I have made it updated. So let's change it. And what else? You can change the image also. And when you say save, it's been no, it's not been saved. Your profile has been updated, so it's not been clicked properly. So again, you directly to that profile page, and it says your Ranuja, it's the username, so it says hi Ranuja and the logout button. So again, the message came, your profile has been updated. So this is how the profile picture has been changed. It's been changed. Yeah, it's been changed. I guess. Is it? Let's change it again. Let's see. Save it. It looks same, man. Has been changed or not? Well, I'm clicking into the same picture. Yeah, I'm clicking into the same picture. So it's been changed now, as you can see. And this is some previously. I think it says updated, so it's been already updated. So yeah, now the main part is about the authentication that I'm speaking. So suppose so a user has been logged into your system. So when it's been logged in, if it's been logged in right now, if you wanted to go back to the home page, you can't do that because you're logged in. Want to go to the login page and we do that? No, we can't. We can't do that or either. If you want to go to the register page, unless you are it's directly to the same page. So unless you are logged in, you locked out, I can say, you can't go outside it. So if it's been locked out, then it's been visible. You can go to. So now this part will take care by something what we called in the Django decorators. So yeah, this is the decorator, I can say. So decorator is nothing but a function which takes a function and add the functionality what it is and return that function. So here, as you can see, it's simply says that it will check whether it's been authenticated or not. So suppose it's been logged in, so it's been authenticated. So if it's authenticated, return direct to the same page. You can't go out unless it's unless it's not it's if you go out logged out, it's not been authenticated. You can visit whatever you want. But if it's been authenticated, you can't go out. If it's not, you can visit whatever you want. So that is the decorator for you. And it has also features like what we call So but suppose it's now it's been logged out, right? So if it's logged out, can I go and see the profile? No, you can't do that because you're not logged in. So there are a lot of again a Python library called logged in, which has been used. If I'm yeah, that has been used. We go to view and see the profile login. So this is the login page. Authenticated is been also been added. Login user, yeah, login user. Where it is, home, login requires. You can say these are the pages. If you wanted to go visit the edit profile page, or if you wanted to see the profile page, where is the profile page? So this is a profile page. Home. This is the profile. So if you wanted to see the profile page or the edit profile page, you must be logged in. So this is a decorator again. Login required, and it directly to the login page. So if you want to go to edit profile even, you can't do that. Edit profile, you can't do it. So these are the things. And again, it has a setup page also if you wanted to go and create another. So I've created four, five, let's do six if I'm not wrong. Let's create, if you create something like that, file, uh, created. Oh, you have to, it's wrong there. So everything has to be right. So another six, space it out, and profile, let's register. So it's an invalid credentials. It says invalid credential, and I don't think that I can use space here. So if I go again, and space is inside, username has to be intact. So yeah, if I register now, yeah, it will say your account has been created now. It's been created. Let's log in with Alpha6. So yeah, again, Alpha6 has been logged in. Alpha6, and now when it's been logged out and there is nothing has been done to the profile, it will just give a default name like John Doe, and this is the default text, and this is the default image. So now, if you want, you can go and just simply change it the way you want. Say update it. You can see the update, and I can see that you will also change the profile picture if you want. And if I save it, it's been changed. I don't know what is the picture. It's been changed. John Doe, and it's been updated. So that's all. Again, if it's been logged in, we can't go out about because of the authentication itself, and it's been locked up. So that's all. It's a small project, but it has components like decorators, signals. So whenever a user has been registered, automatically a signal triggers and an automatic profile will generate it with the default values. So yeah, that's all. See you. Happy learning.